to install our titanium axle blocks. First, remove your brake caliper. Next, you must remove the axle nut with a 17mm. Once removed, you can use an Allen key or a long screwdriver to tap the axle bolt and axle blocks out. Then, you can remove the wheel and disc guard. Remove your old block bolts from the swing arm. Prepare the new axle blocks for installation by removing the cover, which is held on by 2 Allen bolts. Use an Allen key to easily reinstall your new titanium block bolts, followed by the axle blocks themselves. Grab your disc guard and position it on the rear wheel like this as you reinstall the wheel. Then grab your axle and reinstall it through your new axle bolts into the swing arm. Insert the titanium axle cover into the axle block and secure it with the Allen screws. Adjust your chain tension by loosening or tightening the block bolts on either side. Make sure both sides are even before you proceed. Then use the same 17mm to torque your axle nut to 44 pound-feet. Reinstall your brake caliper and you're done.